back to HDTechLogic. In today's video we're going to be unboxing this creative live cam with sync 1080p and has full HD wide angle webcam with a dual built-in mic. So it works with PC and Mac as it says on the top, and let's just see what the side says. Works with Zoom, Messenger, Microsoft Teams, Cisco WebEx and Skype. In the box you get a quick start guide and the camera itself. On the back it says the key features are 1080p and 30 fps or 720p and 30 fps, a 77 degree wide viewing angle, a dual built-in mic, you can turn it horizontal or vertical, you get a privacy lens cap as you can see that. You can plug and play with the UVC because it's UVC compliant, and there's a universal tripod mounting clip. Those are the barcodes, and that's it from the side. So let's open it. So we have got a seal here, so we've got to undo this. Now to undo this I am going to get a pair of scissors. So here's my pair of scissors. Let's open it. I'm just going to put a faint line in all across, put those out the picture. Now hopefully that's been unsealed like that. Time to open it. Here you can see that this is what we are greeted with. So let's firstly take out this. This basically is the instruction manual. You can open it like that, and then you can open it further like that. It tells you everything about it, but we don't need instruction manuals around here because we know how this stuff works. So this, I'm sorry, out you go. Next, on this side, there's a cable and it seems to be stuck because it's connected to the camera. But what's this other paper that I see? A warranty. Well, we don't plan to be breaking it anytime soon, so we don't need you either. And there's one more piece of paper. What's this one? The compliance certificate. We really don't need to use this so long as it works. So let's now take the cable out and bring out the webcam. And here it is. Creative live cam. Let's unwrap it and take it out. And straight off the bat, this looks good. It's definitely been made well. As you can see, we've got a privacy lens here, and there's the actual lens. We just put this privacy screen back on. And one note, it does seem a bit hard to put the privacy screen back on, but it's doable. You can unmount it like that, and you can turn it any way you like. And it did say that you can turn it portrait, although I cannot see an option for that. So horizontal or vertical orientation. I think this means you can do this. But now let's attach it to the monitor. Here you can see the monitor. Now I could put an arrow here just so that you can reference where it's going to be going. So here is the webcam itself. And what we're going to be doing is, as you can see here, we've got one of these. Now, this is for this. This is a universal camera mount. And basically, you can just screw it onto there and it will stay. Now, just a note quickly. This was not included in the box. I have had this for a while. I own that. If you want your own stand, you have to buy it separately. It does not come with this. But interesting to note that you can actually do it if you like. So what we're going to do is put it around the back of the computer. Put it where we want. Literally It's going to make the back like that go like that. So it's going to hook it on like that, hook the back on, and now it's standstill like that. Now I am at the back of the PC. I'm now going to unwind the cabling and plug it into this USB port here. This is lift available. Just a note, when I was filming this, I did run into a minor setback. The cable is too long to reach to here. So if you want to use this and you have quite a far reach from your PC to your webcam, I would recommend that you use a USB hub. Now, lucky for us, this Dell monitor already has one. So we're going to unplug the existing USB cable, like so. This is the old webcam. I'm going to plug in the new webcam. So we're going to retrieve it, and then we're going to plug it in just like this. And now the PC has made the connection noise. So I've taken the privacy cap off and I've turned it that way, and let's see how this turns out. So I'm going to go out of this so that I can access the file, minimize this, minimize this, minimize this, minimize all of the other applications, and then we're going to open the camera app. And as you can see, this is the camera. As you can see, the live cam thing has turned on. The text has now lit up because the camera is now in use, and as you can see, we've got a pretty good refresh rate and the quality is quite good as well. Now let's do a quick audio test. So for this, I'm going to open up Adobe Audition. So when this launches, I'll show you what the audio is like, because the audio will register as a device on this. So we're going to go to create a new audio file. Test of microphone is a good file name for the moment. We're going to go to Edit, Preferences, Audio Hardware, and choose that our default input is the live sync cam. Now let's record the audio. This is a test of the audio on the live sync cam with 1080p quality. Now let's play it back. This is a test of the audio on the live sync cam with 1080p quality. Now I will record this on my computer as well with OBS so that you can have a proper listen to this, not through this device's microphone. We'll play that now. This is a test of the audio on the live sync cam with 1080p quality. But all in all, I'm pretty impressed with the audio quality and the video quality of this webcam. It's definitely worth buying. It's got 1080p on the line and 720p if you choose to, 30 FPS. It's got a privacy filter which you can just clip on like that, and you can also have a good 77-degree viewing angle, as we said earlier. I would highly recommend buying this product, as it seems to have performed very well in our tests today, and I'm very happy with it to be used later on as well. Thank you for watching.